Hi everyone, so I'm back with a freebie digital, which is 2 pages of kind of, sorry I just bumped the camera there, 2 pages of kind of Christmassy backgrounds. They will be a freebie over on my coffee shop. I will link that below in the description box. So what got me to doing this was I watched a video by Wendys Journal Adventure, and she was making tags, but she was decorating the tags before you cut them out on the paper. And I thought, what a great idea actually, because I find, I don't know about you, but I find cutting everything out, because I don't have one of them machines like a scan and cut or whatever. I don't have one that, you know, I can just launch it into something and it'll cut it all out for me. So I do have to fussy cut everything and cut tags and blah blah blah, and it is boring. It is so boring. But anyway, I thought what a great idea, because it's, you know, you're printing, you're decorating, then you're backing it, and then you're cutting it out, and once you've cut it out, you've actually, you know, you've made your little piece of art, creativity, it's all gone on, so you'll be more excited about cutting it out. That's what I think anyway. Okay, so we have this one, so you get 3 tags on each. Right, there's other papers under here because I'm going to use other stuff. I'm going to tell you about that in a minute. So yeah, these 2 sets of Christmas themed tags. You can tell I've kind of gone for a lot of green, but anyway, I thought I'd throw a blue one in there as well. Right, so that's my freebies. Okay, I'll set them to one side. These are from ARTYmaze, from, don't know what kit it is, but I will link ARTYmaze's Christmas lists. I was going to say, I will list her Christmas kits below to her Etsy. It will be on her Etsy, and when you click on that link, it will take you to all her Christmas kits, so you'll be able to see all them. So I'm gonna fussy cut these out. Obviously I'll have to do that, and I'm just gonna cut these, and because I want to just cut these bits up into the little squares and rectangles that they are, because I'm going to do some ripping and things like that. So that's the bits that I'm using from ARTYmaze. So it's my freebie tags, ARTYmaze's kits. These are not freebies, okay? Then I fussy cut these. I bought these again inspired by Wendy. She had mentioned that she had got these Christmas, now I've only printed out 3 pages of these, and they're from Taylormade Journals. I will link Taylormade Journals below, and as you can see, I've already cut out I've done that whilst I was eating my dinner. Fussy cutting and eating at the same time, because I'm going to do 6 tags, so I cut out 6 of these, and with that kit you get quite a few pages of Christmas, like fussy cutting bits. So that's from Taylormade Journals, right, and that's the ones that I have cut out. Now I'm gonna need some glue, and what I'm gonna do is, I had to shut my window, there was moths flying in everywhere. It's like little baby moths everywhere. It's because of the light. I'm right there is my window, so when it's opened and I've got lamps on everywhere, they were all trying to get in, so I've had to shut them. So anyway, I'm going to go and cut all these out, and then I shall be back, but I'm not going to cut out the tags, okay? So I've done all them tags and I am just trimmed around the edge, and I'm just gonna glue. I can see, you may not be able to see it on camera, but I can see, you know, the outline through the paper, and I'm just gluing roughly around it because I'm going to stitch. Now at this point, if you're not stitching, might be a good idea to cut around them and then back them. It's up to you, but I found that this worked out great for me, as you'll see. So I just kind of smushed that down a little bit, and then I jumped on to the next 3 tags. Some of my cards have split and they're kind of bending when I'm squishing things down. So here that's the last 3 that I had fussy cut out, and again just using like the bits I showed you at the beginning and just distressing them, just trying to get a bit of shape rather than them being all kind of straight lined. I'm just doing a bit of tearing, used my scissors, etc. So now I'm going to trim around all the tags, and we have all the tags individually cut out now. These are the scrap pieces that are left over, so I'm just going to make some little tabs with them to put on the top before I go around and do the stitching. So here they are, all put together and all stitched, but I feel they need something else. So I started pulling these little bits out my scrap box. Right, these are from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and I've got that. That one says the holly and the ivy, have yourself a merry little Christmas. There's another one that says that. So not all of them need something, but just a couple. So I'm just going to snip that. All right. Where did I feel? Right, I felt that needed something just to make it pop a little bit. So we'll just glue that on. So this is just like a fun little way of making your tags, collage style. Like, does that need something up the side? Sorry, I don't know if I'm in frame there. See, I think that's fine. I'll set that there. Right, and we've done that one. And we'll set that one up there. Like I said, not all of them needs something. That, yes. That does. Or does it? Hang on. Does that? Yeah, we'll put that one there. That one there. I'm listening the jingle bells for effect. That's my cat sitting at my door. Right. And we shall put that there. Oh, she's having a right shake. Right, and I think that's that, and that is fine. And I think I need something here. Oh, that's as you can see, none of this has been cut out. Again, this is from one of ARTYmaze's kits. I'm gonna leave the little stars alone, and not sure on that actually. Not sure on it, so I'm gonna leave it. I'll be using these for my Christmas journal. I think I don't have anything else right now. I don't. So that's it. Where is my thing? This is my little, this was my Christmas in July. So I'm going to be popping them in here so that I can add bits to it when it comes to Christmas. I will put a little, I got a video on that. Was it a playlist? I can't remember. I think it was Christmas in July. I'll put the playlist on the screen at the end of the video, because we've got a little pocket in here as well. Okay, so there we go. I will link everyone below. So the tags are a freebie on my coffee, and the I've used papers from ARTYmaze and Taylormade Journals, and this was inspired by Wendy at Wendys Journal Adventures. So I will link Wendy below, but I'm sure you know who she is. So yeah, that was a great idea from Wendy anyway. A lot of people say, well, you know, it might say, well, you've got to cut them out anyway. I just think it's better cutting them out once they're decorated. I don't know. I mean, she said in her video that she didn't know why she hadn't done it before, right? Or I don't know why I hadn't done it before either. I think it's a great little idea. But each to their own. I know there'll be people out there saying like, "Oh, it isn't any different," but I enjoyed doing it that way, and I'll probably do other tags that way as well. So there we go. Thank you for watching. Check the links out below, and also this weekend, which the dates will be below just in case you're watching this in like a year's time. I've got a sale on all my journals because I've moved them all from my coffee shop, to my coffee shop from my website. So, and they're a big sale on them till the 8th of October 2023. So have a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.